Hello there. Today, I'll be taking you through a presentation on the HostAfrica affiliate program. My name is Joel Lumumba, and I lead the HostAfrica affiliate program for the HostAfrica brand. So, the purpose of today's training is to take you through three things: why you're not earning as much as you'd like, how to stack commissions from one buyer, and how to properly use coupon codes and affiliate links. Let's get started. I've been on the internet, seeing some of the posts you guys have been doing, and noticed some crucial mistakes that people make that lead you to not earn the commissions that you need. I see some good blog posts active on LinkedIn, but how you're sharing your links might be an issue, or rather not following up or assuming that people know what you're talking about. So the first thing I see, especially in social media platforms, is someone having written a very nice post about the HostAfrica program, let's say web hosting or professional email product. However, in the comments, you see some customers asking, "What is this about? How much can I get this for?" or other questions that are relevant to the product. Unfortunately, the affiliate in question is not responding to these customers. This can be quite harmful to your reputation because people might feel you're not serious or not giving them the required attention. The other thing that happens is sharing links without context. I see some of your posts where for the links being shared, you're sharing them without providing context. Therefore, people are not able to understand what type of product you're talking about. So that is an issue we are experiencing. I will highlight how to properly share links as we go on. The next thing that happens a lot is assuming knowledge. The business that you're representing is quite easy for those of us who understand it, but it can be complicated to a customer. Let's say someone who just wants to set up his business but is not sure about what is happening and how to go about it. So once you're promoting something or once you're reaching out to this customer, but assume that they understand what you're talking about, this can be quite detrimental. It's always better to show them and guide them through the proper steps of how to get online. So as a solution to help you with this, as we do our monthly newsletter that I usually send you, I'll always highlight a product. For example, I'd highlight web hosting, and in the same email, I would share an article that you can copy and edit with your own content. This article is already optimized for SEO and more. All you need to do is include company details or your branding, since the article is basically ready to be shared. That's one thing we've been doing. So I'll try to do this every month when sharing newsletters. Just share the article to help you get started. I also create these articles in our affiliate tools so that wherever you want an article on a specific product, it should be ready-made for you. The next thing I want to speak about is how to stack commissions from one buyer. Here is where we go back to the conversation of the customer journey and guiding the customer through the journey. When a customer approaches you saying, "We want to get online," or on the internet asking, "How do I get online? How do I grow my business? How do I scale my business?" It's always important to guide them towards that.
I know you want to earn commissions from hosting, or from HTML Plus, or from the website builder, but why not earn from all of them?
It's also possible to do that. Right now is the perfect time to do it, as in all our sites, whether it's the Kenyan, Nigerian, even the South African site, we have greatly reduced the prices of our domain names. While the domain itself may not be up for commission, it's a good conversation to have with someone saying, "Hey, do you know HostAfrica is selling domains for only 49 Rand right now?" This is the perfect first step to get your business online. Secure your domain name. The next thing you need to do is to give the domain somewhere to sit. You need to host that domain. Here is your first commission. Explain to them what hosting is about. You can use a simple explanation. It's just the domain's house on the internet, where the domain sits on the internet. You can be as simple as you want. Then we have the website builder. This I will speak about more in the next slide. We have a website builder that can help them create that website now to get online. This is another commission for you. When we have a professional email, of course, we talk to them about being serious about doing business and wanting to get their business online. When you're communicating with clients, you can't use a generic email address.
It will be good to have a professional email address to complement your business so that people can treat you seriously. So you can see with all these steps, these are just a few that I've picked out, but of course there are other ways to scale it up. You can talk of different hosting products, you can talk of anything else in our product, but this is just like the simple getting online. Speak of the domain, speak of hosting, we have the website. They will need a website, of course. Then you have HMail Plus. The good thing about HostAfrica right now, all these things are the best priced in the market. Therefore, it's an easy conversation for you to have with a customer, whether it's through the blog post or whether it's meetings. This is the simple customer journey. It will be better to guide your customers through these steps so that you are able to complete their process in one go and earn commissions at different levels. As you can see, every stage is a commission. So I wanted to speak about this exciting new product we call HBuild. This is a product we are developing. It's almost ready, should be ready in a few weeks or so. It's an AI website builder, whereby customers can be able to create their own websites themselves. I'll show you in a minute how to play around with it. This is what I'm talking about. This is HBuild, our web builder. You just type in a prompt and it will be able to create it for you. For example, you can say, "I own a restaurant, build me a website." That could be the first prompt you give it. Once you press enter or build it, it will generate the website. This will take a few minutes, but it will create something like the rough draft of the website. On this chat box, you can be able to add specific prompts that you might want. Let's say you can add the name of the business, my business name. This just helps you create the website as you would want. As it loads, we can continue, but I'll show you what I'm talking about when done. We are launching this very soon, and to help you sell more, we'll be giving you free access for 6 months to play around with this website. Personally, I think it's a good opportunity for you to increase your commission, as it is very simple to use. You just type what you want and it will create for you. But it is highly likely that some of the customers would not want to stress themselves with this. Even though it's not stressful, they will just like to outsource it altogether. This is another opportunity for you to increase your commission or increase your hustle by telling your customer, "Okay, I'll charge you this amount to create the website for you." It is also an opportunity to earn more from this product that we have here. When the product will be ready, we'll reach out to you. As said earlier, it will be free for 6 months. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions or any suggestions on how this can be improved. The next thing I wanted to talk about is coupon codes. Right now, for example, there's an available coupon code listed here, but I understand that some of you have reached out to us previously on how to use coupon codes or where to apply coupon codes. The first thing you need to note is that coupon codes are tied to a specific product. What I mean is, we'll create coupons for domains, coupons for web hosting, coupons for HMail. They're independent. A coupon for web hosting will not work on HMail, and one for domains will not work on web hosting, so you need to be careful about that. The steps to apply the coupon code is just adding the product to cart, then add the coupon code, and you'll see the discount pop up. I'll show you what I mean. This is the website it has created. It is just a generic website, but now you can add instructions about the specific things you want. So for my website name, let me say Joel Restaurant. It will then update that on the image. As it does that, let me just show you what I meant with coupon codes. So once you go to any of our websites, choose the coupon code you wish to apply. Let's say it's available for web hosting. Select web hosting, just add the product to cart. Here it will ask, do you have a promo code? Type it here and then apply. You'll realize the discount is already applied, so you save 90 Rand. This is applicable to all our web hosting packages, so please hurry up and take advantage of it before it ends. This is possible across all our websites. Whether in Kenya, Nigeria, wherever you are able to enjoy this coupon code. Let me go back to the web page view. You can see it has been updated. You can add and modify details here and it will be able to update. Over on the right-hand side, there are widgets where you can add sections. You can see there's a header section, features. You can add contacts, open now, anything you want. If you want to delete something, let's say the feature page, you can freely do so. On the styling, we have colors where you can choose the ones you prefer. So once this is live, we'll be able to reach out to you to give you access to this so that you can play around with it, critique it, and come back with feedback on how we can improve. Like I said, this will have free access for 6 months, so please check those emails and make sure you're using this product. Let's go back to my presentation. That's how you use your coupon code. The next thing I want to show you is how to create product-specific links. On all our sites, we have what we call a link generator. When you go to the affiliate program page, you'll be able to use that link generator. It helps you create links for specific products.
The only thing you need to know is your affiliate's code, or the number at the end of your affiliate's link. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is my affiliate's dashboard, and this is my code, 2810. So for all of you, it will be different. Once you go to any of our sites, just scroll down to the bottom, and then you go to the affiliate program page, and then you'll be able to see this. This is the link generator. Let's say I want to create a product, a link on web hosting. Just like for you, it's already populated, web hosting. Type in the code, in my case, 2810. Then you click Get Custom Link. It has already been populated. When I copy this code and share it, and the receiver clicks that link, it will take them directly to our web hosting packages, and you can see the affiliate code is already there. What I usually see happening a lot is people share their affiliate links, but they do not add their codes, so it's a bit confusing. Therefore, the commissions are not tracked to you. Or the commission may be tracked to you, but now the person clicking the link was reading an article or a blog post about web hosting, only to be taken to the general HostAfrica page when they click, thus a bit confusing. This link generator helps you focus your communication and lead your customers to the correct landing page. Let's say I've written an article about HMail Plus. Select HMail in this dropdown. Make sure the code is correct, and then copy. So when someone clicks that article and says, "This HMail looks like something I want to buy," and goes to that site, you're able to take them directly to HMail Plus, where they can now complete the purchase. When the product is not available, it will take them to the general HostAfrica site, which would leave the customer wondering, how do I proceed from here? I know there are some customers who would know how to navigate, but there are others who might not. It might be confusing for them to know where they're supposed to go, and it can be damaging to your commission because they might choose to either change the provider or not take the product altogether. It's very important that when communicating to your customer, use this link generator to create, because we have all the products here. If there's any product you feel isn't there, you can always reach out to us and we'll add this for you immediately. We have different things here. So whatever you're speaking about, be it the site builder, the web hosting, dedicated servers, you can always create codes here. This tool, I feel, is very essential. Be careful when you're communicating to make sure that the code and the product link is the one you want. We also have support materials for you. We have resources like blogs, we have banners, we have an assistant. In the same page where you are creating the link, we also have the resources. So we have banners here, which you can complement in your LinkedIn post, Facebook post. We have very many banners. You just click Download the Affiliate Banner Pack, and you'll get a zip folder of all our banners, our logo. We have this AI assistant. This is there to help you create content or ask any questions present about HostAfrica. This is how it looks when you click on that AI assistant. Here you can say, we have some suggestions here. You can just click here, help me write a HostAfrica product review blog post, and it will generate that for you. Then you can edit it and design it to the way you want it to be. These articles are SEO optimized, or rather, you can also add more instructions if you want it to be focused on maybe the Kenyan market. You can make the article relevant for whatever country you want. This tool is also very important to help you with that.
We also have the blog post. Once you go to any of our websites, you can just click blog and you'll be taken to the article that I've done. If you want affiliate-specific articles or articles that are relevant to you, just click on this Affiliates tab and it will take you to articles on different things. We've done many articles and tried to do as much as 3 per month. We just help you with all the necessary information that will be useful to you. I feel like this blog post is very powerful, so take advantage of this as well. With that, my presentation is over. Having highlighted some of the issues, I felt like if you're able to tweak a bit, especially when sharing links and guiding your customers to getting online, we can be able to earn more commissions. Thank you for your time.